Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Ryan from the Nostalgia Factor here, back again with another quick unboxing video. So I haven't really done an unboxing in some time here on the channel, so I figure why not. I think this is actually the first one I've done on this channel, but I've done a few in the past on other types of videos. But either way, today, guys, I figured we would unbox the Tales of Xillia Collector's Edition for the PS3. Now, as you guys know that I've talked about here on the channel, I collect retro games, and specifically for a part of my collection, I go for PS1, PS2, and certain PS3 games that are RPGs. So I figured I'd pick this one up, and I got a pretty good price on it. So I figured I'd show you guys this. This is the biggest collection piece I have. Not most valuable or rare, but literally the biggest. Look how big this thing is. So show you guys the front and the back. There's a bunch of stuff that comes with it that we'll get into here. And of course the sides of it. I need to clean up the box a little bit, but let's open this thing up and we'll take a look at the contents. Also note, I just want to establish that this is the first time I'm actually opening this box up myself. So I have no idea what it's like. If only you guys could understand the scale of just how massive this thing is. So, for the sake of the unboxing, I am going to proceed to take this stuff out as carefully as possible, because I really don't want to break it. This is not easy to do with one hand. Alright, so we'll take that out there and set that there. I believe I know what this is. But we'll take a look and see what else is in here. So if we take this out here, we'll get into that later. This here would be the box that contains some of the smaller items in the bundle. So let's take these out, take a look at them. These things are stuck in really well. 1 second, come on. Alright, so we'll set this stuff out here first, then we'll get into the specifics of the box. Alright, first things first. We have the game itself here. Pretty standard stuff, in all honesty. Standard for a PS3 game. We pop it open here. And it has, like, the game disc and everything in there. And there's, there's a code there if you guys want to use it. Personally, I'm not going to, so that's just me. But, yeah, so we're going to put that back in there for now. So that's the game itself. Next, here we have a soundtrack for the game, which is part of the special edition as well. Music CD's got, 12 songs on there. That's pretty cool, too. Personally, I don't know if I'm going to open this. Probably just going to leave it sealed, so... But that's still pretty cool. It's still a pretty good part of it. Then, of course, here we have the art book and whatnot. I'm not going to go through the entire thing here because make this video way too long if I went through every individual piece, but I'll give a bit of like a highlight here and whatnot. You guys can like pause at different points if you want. You know, highlight some of the pages here. Believe that's one of the main cast members there, for example. Yada yada. One of the main cast. So overall, I'll go through this myself later, but this looks like a really good addition to the box as well. So we got the game, the soundtrack, and the art book, standard stuff there. But this is the real pull of the box itself, and let's just get it. So one long process later, and I finally got the figure itself out. So this is a statue of... Actually, I have no idea the name of this person, but this is one of the two main characters of the game. I'm not going to take the figure out because it is still wrapped up, and I think it is a bit cooler that way. It's not like I'm going to take it out and display it or anything, at least for right now, but figured I'd at least show you guys what the figure looks like somewhat. This is a really high-quality figure, I gotta admit, too, for being part of like a PS3 bundle. So, that's a pretty cool addition, honestly. And, really, guys, capping off on that, that is all that comes with this game. This is actually a pretty cool addition to the collection. Of course, I don't normally go out of my way to collect PS3 games, but for certain RPG games, I will pick them up from time to time, but I mostly stick with PS1, PS2 games, and recently getting into complete and box Super Nintendo games, so the collection's growing more and more, as well as getting as many RPGs for the systems as possible. So that's going to be all for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see more stuff like this in the future, which I have another box set coming in, so if you guys want to see that one, just let me know in the comments of the video. For the Wild Arms 5 10th Anniversary Edition, I'll just tell you guys the game now. But if you guys don't want to see it, it's perfectly fine too. We'll just stick with our original content whenever I make it. So either way, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel if you want to catch more videos like this one. And, of course, comment down below what you guys want me to do next. Until next time, Nostalgics, this has been Ryan saying, keep on gaming.